Think fast. Is the cost of a free movie night really zero when you skip your paid tutoring shift? Got your answer? Here's the catch. The real price tag isn't cash, it's what you just gave up. Economists call that opportunity cost. In this video, you'll learn what opportunity cost is, how to calculate it step by step, and how spotting it leads to smarter everyday and economic decisions. Let's start with the basics. Opportunity cost is the value of the single best alternative you give up when limited resources force a choice, whether the resource is land, study hours, or your Friday night. And here's the key. It's always a comparison. Economists express costs in terms of what you could have produced instead. Corn in units of beef, sleep in homework points, dollars in lattes. Let's zoom in on a personal example. Imagine you have an hour to either polish 15 flashcards or stream a 50-minute episode. Choose streaming, and your opportunity cost is the study time, possibly tomorrow's quiz grade. Let's lock that example in before we scale things up. Think you've got it down? Head over to this link for a practice test and join the study streak, or stick around to learn more about the topic. Now, zooming out to the national level, Country A can use the same fertile valley to harvest 50 tons of corn or raise 25 tons of beef, but not both. Those limits form its production possibility frontier. To quantify the trade-off, set up a simple proportion. Since 50 tons of corn trades for 25 tons of beef, divide both sides by 50. You get 1 ton of corn equals 0.5 tons of beef. Flip it, and 1 ton of beef equals 2 tons of corn. Want the marginal cost of shifting 1 acre? Multiply that ratio by the yield per acre. This tells leaders exactly how much beef they sacrifice by planting more grain, guiding efficient decisions. Remember, opportunity cost is forward-looking. Money already spent fixing a tractor? That's a sunk cost. It shouldn't influence your next planting decision. Don't confuse accounting cost, the cash out the door, with opportunity cost, the value you could create elsewhere. Smart businesses weigh both before greenlighting projects. In the end, from national budgets to your weekend plans, recognizing the unseen cost helps you allocate scarce resources, avoid regret, and make more efficient choices. Quick recap. Opportunity cost turns either-or decisions into numbers, reveals the real sacrifice, and points you toward the option with the highest payoff.
Now that you've watched the video, let's see how much you remember. Head to the link in the description where you'll find Quizlet content made just for you.